When it comes to my attorney, am I getting what I paid for? Dustin McCrary, divorce attorney and founder of the law office of Dustin McCrary, discusses the attorney-client relationship and whether you, the client, are getting what you paid for. Hi, I'm Dustin McCrary. Thanks for joining me today. Today, I'd like to discuss a question that arises often in the minds of those who are in the midst of the divorce process, and that is, am I really getting the most out of my attorney? It's a reasonable question. After all, the divorce process is probably the most complex legal process you've been through, and choosing an attorney is one of the most important aspects of that process. Many people find themselves wondering at some point during their divorce, have I chosen correctly? Is my attorney doing all that he or she should do to pursue my case? Can I really trust my attorney to handle my issues in the best way possible? Without a doubt, these are important questions to ask. Obviously, there's no one correct answer to this question. Every attorney-client relationship is different. What I can say, though, is that it's normal in any attorney-client relationship for there to be some ups and downs. No two people are going to agree on everything all the time, and it's no different when it comes to the divorce process. In any attorney-client relationship, there will likely be some moments where you feel upset or you feel that things aren't going as you'd like them to. Divorce is a frustrating and emotionally stressful process generally, and it's simply to be expected that at times you may feel upset and wonder if your attorney is doing the right thing. As an attorney who's practiced divorce for many years, I can tell you that this is normal. Having handled countless divorce cases for a wide variety of clients in varying circumstances with different personality types, I can tell you that I'm prepared for my clients to become frustrated at times. Out of all the legal processes that someone can go through, divorce is one of the most emotionally difficult. That's simply the nature of the situation. I can tell you that as an attorney, I'm not going to judge you for feeling upset or frustrated at times. It's just how the process goes. What I can tell you, however, is that the most important thing you can do when choosing an attorney is to choose an attorney that you trust. If you did your research, talked to friends and family about their experiences with an attorney, interviewed multiple attorneys, and decided on the attorney of your choice, chances are that you did so because you felt this attorney was someone you could trust and work well with. If that's the case, I would encourage you to have faith in the choice that you made. Although you and your attorney may differ on the best strategies for your case at times, it's important to understand that your lawyer specializes in the divorce process. He or she has likely encountered almost every issue that can arise and probably has significant experience in addressing those issues. Even if at times you wonder if you're doing the next right thing, in many cases, trusting your lawyer's advice and pursuing the path that he or she believes will most likely achieve results is the way to go. Certainly, if you're truly beginning to believe that your attorney is untrustworthy for some reason, or is not truly pursuing the best strategy on your behalf, you're entitled to get a second opinion. North Carolina law allows for that, and there's absolutely nothing wrong with it. You're always entitled to go to another attorney, present the facts and circumstances of your case, and ask for his or her advice. If you've done that, and the second attorney gives you similar advice, you can feel reassured that you're moving in the right way. One thing I would never advise, however, is simply to discount the advice of your attorney based upon a gut feeling without getting a second opinion. All too often, I see clients who want to discount legal advice based on the opinion of a family or friend who's not a lawyer. While it's understandable to want to trust those who are close to you, it's also important to remember that in the huge majority of cases, these individuals are not attorneys, and they do not have a thorough understanding of the law as it applies to the facts of your case. While family and friends are always wonderful to rely upon for support, it's important to trust your attorney when it comes to the legal matters involved in your case. Your attorney understands the system and has years of experience and knowledge practicing. Rely on that experience and knowledge. It will almost always pay off in the long run.